Hello, fellow gardeners. We all admire the blooms and fruits above ground, but the real magic happens beneath our feet. For years I thought I understood the soil's main players, earthworms, bacteria, mycorrhizal fungi, but I missed a silent partner that changed my approach to plant health. It started with a simple observation. Some plants in my garden thrived while others struggled, despite identical care. The secret? An invisible ally in the soil, working tirelessly to protect my plants. This isn't a new chemical or a complicated technique, it's a natural part of the ecosystem, often overlooked or destroyed by modern gardening. Instead of fighting nature, we can work with it by reintroducing this powerful friend to our soil. This method builds lasting health for your entire garden, not just quick fixes. A healthy plant is part of a thriving, diverse community above and below ground. The forgotten ally? A fungus, not the disease-causing kind, but a microscopic bodyguard for your plant's roots. It's time to bring this natural guardian back and let our gardens truly flourish. Let's explore the world of this remarkable fungus together. Meet Trichoderma, a genus of fungi that's a true hero for gardeners. Not all fungi are foes. Trichoderma is one of the best allies you can have. It's a saprophyte, feeding on dead organic matter and playing a vital role in nutrient cycling. Unlike mycorrhizal fungi, Trichoderma colonizes the rhizosphere, the area around plant roots, acting as a vigilant protector. It forms a living barrier, actively fighting off harmful pathogens and outcompeting them for space and nutrients. When Trichoderma is present, invaders like Fusarium and Pythium have nowhere to go and nothing to eat. Chemical fungicides often wipe out both good and bad fungi, leaving soils depleted. By restoring Trichoderma, we're bringing back a natural balance and giving plants their ancestral guardians. This fungus has always been there, waiting for us to recognize its value. Reintroducing it is a shift from fighting disease to building health from the ground up. Trichoderma is nature's own security service for your garden's roots. It's time to remember its importance and invite it back into our gardens. With Trichoderma, we restore resilience and vitality to our plants. Let's see how this fungus works its magic. The real transformation happens just below the surface. Trichoderma does more than crowd out bad fungi. It's a microscopic warrior. Through mycoparasitism, it attacks and feeds on harmful fungi, coiling around them and dissolving their cell walls. It literally eats the enemy, turning threats into nourishment for itself and your plants. Even more impressive, Trichoderma communicates with plants, triggering induced systemic resistance, like a plant-wide vaccination. The plant's defenses are primed, ready to fight off disease before it takes hold. That's why some plants seem immune to common afflictions. Their immune systems are already on alert. Trichoderma also breaks down organic matter, releasing nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in forms plants can absorb. It even unlocks minerals trapped in the soil, making them available to roots. So, Trichoderma protects, nourishes, and strengthens plants from root to leaf. The result? Vigorous growth, stronger stems, and greater resilience to stress. It's a proactive, all-in-one solution for healthier gardens. Let's prepare your soil to welcome this fungal friend. Here's how to get started. Before introducing Trichoderma, you need to create the right environment. Start with rich organic matter, compost, manure, or leaf mold. Mulch your beds generously in autumn or spring to feed the soil and provide habitat for beneficial microbes. Avoid leaving soil bare. Sow green manure crops if needed. Cut back on chemical inputs, especially synthetic fungicides, which kill both good and bad fungi. Reducing chemicals lets the natural ecosystem restore its balance. Minimize digging. Excessive tilling destroys delicate fungal networks. Try a no-dig approach. Layer organic matter on the surface and let soil life do the work. Healthy, undisturbed soil supports a thriving community of fungi and other organisms. By preparing your soil this way, you set the stage for Trichoderma to flourish. Now, let's bring this powerful fungus into your garden beds and pots. The right foundation makes all the difference. Here's how to introduce Trichoderma effectively. With your soil ready, it's time to introduce Trichoderma. Available as powders or liquid concentrates, look for strains like Trichoderma harzianum or T. virid. Store products in a cool, dark place and check expiration dates. They're living organisms. For seeds and young plants, mix a small amount of trichoderma into your seed-starting compost or add a pinch to planting holes. This ensures early colonization of the roots. For established plants, apply a soil drench. Mix trichoderma with water, preferably rainwater, and soak the soil around the base. Apply on cool, overcast days or evenings to protect the fungi. Reapply monthly, especially during plant stress or high disease pressure. Container plants benefit from regular applications too. Consistent use keeps your plant's bodyguards active and ready. Incorporate this into your routine for ongoing protection. It's simple, effective, and rewarding. Now let's keep your fungal allies thriving. Introducing trichoderma is just the beginning. Nurturing it is key. Keep feeding your soil with compost, leaf mold, or grass clippings to sustain the fungi. Moist, well-aerated soil is essential. Avoid overwatering, which can harm beneficial fungi. Water deeply but infrequently, and use mulch to regulate moisture and temperature. Avoid synthetic fungicides and high-nitrogen fertilizers, which disrupt the soil microbiome. Opt for slow-release organic fertilizers or rely on compost for balanced nutrition. Embrace plant diversity. Mix trees, shrubs, perennials, and vegetables to support a resilient soil ecosystem. Monocultures are vulnerable. Diverse plantings foster a robust microbial community. Healthy soil life means healthier, more self-sufficient plants. Your role shifts from plant doctor to soil ecosystem manager. With these habits, your trichoderma population will thrive. The result, a stronger, more resilient garden. Let's look at the future you're building. We've uncovered a powerful secret beneath our feet. Trichoderma, your garden's microscopic ally. This isn't just a product, it's a partnership with nature. By working with trichoderma, you build lasting plant health and resilience. Start with rich soil, reduce chemicals, and introduce this beneficial fungus to your plants. Watch as your garden grows stronger, greener, and more resistant to stress. Gardening becomes a collaboration, not a battle. Experiment. Try trichoderma on a few plants and observe the difference. Every season brings new lessons. Your garden is a living laboratory. Share your discoveries and help others restore their soil's natural balance. The more gardeners embrace these practices, the healthier our gardens and our planet will be. Subscribe to Soil Stories for more insights into the wonders beneath our feet. There's always more to learn, starting right here with your hands in the earth. Happy gardening. Your garden's future starts now.